We're just here to have a good time, man. A whole lot of friends coming out, do a little bit of benefit for Elizabeth Glaser, man. Well, actually, the neatest thing about it is Elizabeth Glaser, the whole foundation, the Pediatric AIDS Foundation, has actually brought us together for the first time. And when I say us, I mean Ethan and Lex, Probst, myself. Probst and I have obviously been friends for a long time. This tonight is the first time I've met Lex and Ethan. And it is so much fun. I mean, we've already been bonding in there. I mean, we're a team. You got to understand, there's an inherent bond. Yeah, listen to this. Come on. It doesn't matter. They can hoot and holler. They can do all they want. The point is, we're here for the first time tonight together, and we're going to take them all down. And that's the whole thing. That's the cool part about it. This is the first time I've met these guys. We've already had a chance to kind of come together, but it's been a lot of fun. I mean, this is a hoot. I mean, I've talked to a lot of people that are playing tonight, and everyone's kind of, you know, it's very nonchalant. Everyone's here to either have fun, meet everybody, play, whatever. We're here to win. That's all there is to it. And when you throw 5 people that have been through the extremes that we have been through, be it Jenna through number 1, me through number 3, you got Lex, you got Ethan, you got Probst. I mean, we're here to win. We're playing to win. And it's so much fun because we are so intense and so serious about it. It's a whole nother level with us. It's a lot of fun. When Probst called me up and he goes, hey man, we got a little gig going, we got a little dodgeball thing going, it was an instantly mental traverse back to grade school, going back. In early school, grade school, we were playing dodgeball early on. You got to understand, I grew up in a town so small. I mean, we had fewer people than most people graduate high school with in my entire town. There you have it. That's what it's all about. And I'm telling you right now, I could not be more excited to come out, go to a great charity, Elizabeth Glaser Pediatric AIDS, and be a part of an event with my best friends, Probst. You got all the group along. It's just going to be a great time. It's very easy to throw around the word Survivor, but if you got money, you better place it on us. Me and Probst and the boys, along with Jenna. It's a safe bet we're going to make it in the top 2, and I wouldn't be a fool as saying we're going to win this son of a bitch.